Text, how to connect headphones to your LG TV. LG TV.
How to connect headphones to your LG TV. Today, it is very rare to find a TV with a headphone port. This is because as TVs have gotten bigger, it is not ideal to watch a large screen at such a close proximity to accommodate the short length of wired headphones. The trend has shifted toward wireless connectivity, which is why more TVs feature Bluetooth capability rather than a headphone port.
On a television is a window. Text, Bluetooth device. Speaker connection settings. A cable connects to an out, audio/HP port.
If your TV does have a headphone port, simply connect your headphones to the port.
A red circle highlights RS-232 SVC only.
Note that some TVs have a 3.5mm port designed for diagnostics or RS-232 control. While this port is the exact size of a headphone port, it is not designed for headphones.
A circle highlights a gear button near the bottom on a remote control. On a television, at the left, a circle highlights a button with 3 vertical dots labeled All Settings.
For WebOS 6.0, on your LG remote control, press Settings. Then click on the vertical dots. Then Sound Out. Then select Use Wired Speaker.
A circle highlights a gear button near the bottom on a remote control. On a television at the bottom right, a circle highlights a button with 3 vertical dots labeled All Settings. A panel appears at the left.
For WebOS 5.0 and below, on your LG remote control, press Settings. Then click on the vertical dots for Advanced/All Settings. Then Sound Out. Depending on the TV model, you may see 2 options. Wired headphones is always preferred. Only try the audio out/line out option as an alternative. It is also possible to use both the TV speakers and headphones at the same time. Depending on the TV model, the setting varies.
A circle highlights the gear button near the bottom on a remote control. On a television at the left, a circle highlights a button with 3 vertical dots labeled All Settings.
For WebOS 6.0, on your LG remote control, press Settings. Then click on the vertical dots, then Sound Out. Then use multiple speakers.
A circle highlights the gear button near the center on a remote control. On a television at the bottom right, a circle highlights a button with 3 vertical dots labeled All Settings. A panel appears at the left.
For WebOS 5.0 and below, on your LG remote control, press Settings. Then click on the vertical dots for Advanced/All Settings. Then Sound Out. Then Internal TV Speaker plus Audio Out. Note that you can only use one audio output device and the TV speakers at the same time.
A speaker and wireless earbuds together are crossed out.
It is not possible to use 2 audio output devices without TV speakers at the same time. When using the TV speakers and wired headphones at the same time, the volume controls are separate. For this reason, connecting headphones with built-in volume control is beneficial.
A circle highlights a volume controller on a pair of wired headphones.
Note that only TV models with built-in Bluetooth can use this setup. Before pairing, please fully charge your wireless Bluetooth headset. Make sure that the headset is turned on and set to pairing mode. Consult the headset's user guide for instructions. If your headset has never been used before, it may automatically set to pairing mode.
A circle highlights the gear button near the bottom on a remote control. On a television at the left, a circle highlights a button with 3 vertical dots labeled All Settings.
With your TV powered on, grab your LG remote control and press Settings. Then click on the vertical dots. Then Sound Out. For WebOS 6.0, select Use Wireless Speaker. Then click on the vertical dots next to Bluetooth device.
At the left, Sound Panel.
For WebOS 5.0, select Bluetooth. Then click on the list icon next to Bluetooth device.
At the left, Sound Panel.
For WebOS 4.5 and below, select LG Sound Sync/Bluetooth, then click on Device Selection. It may take a few seconds for the headset to be detected. Once detected, click on the device name. If successfully paired, it will show under Registered Devices. If you are not getting sound from your headset, There are easy troubleshooting steps you can take that should resolve the issue.
At the left, Sound Panel. Click Sound Out. Sound Out panel. The Use TV speaker option is highlighted.
Ensure the TV sound out setting is changed to the correct output. Ensure the TV is not muted.
Selects the Use Wired speaker option.
Ensure the volume is turned up, or try another source like a different input or another application.
At the left, Bluetooth device panel.
Also try unpairing the Bluetooth headset from the TV, then pair it back again. To do this, go to Settings, click the vertical dots, then Sound Out. Select Use Wireless Speaker. Then click the vertical dots next to Bluetooth device. Then select the device you want to delete and click Delete Device.
At the left, Bluetooth device panel. In the Connectable Devices section, a device appears.
Then pair it back with the TV by using the same guide mentioned earlier for your TV's WebOS version.
In Netflix, clicks Audio and Subtitles. Scrolls down to French 5.1.
If you're using a streaming app such as Netflix or Hulu from the TV, in the app select Settings for Audio, then select the preferred audio option.
On LG.com, the Select a Product category page. In the Consumer tab, scrolls down.
Consult the user guide for your particular TV model on the LG.com website for detailed information about setup and proper operation.
LG.com/support.
You can easily find our contact information on the LG.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.
This video is provided solely for informational and instructional purposes. This video is not intended to replace the product's owner's manual. For complete information on product use, setup, or assembly, you should consult the owner's manual and any other documents provided with the product. The information contained in this video may contain inaccuracies or typographic errors and is subject to change without notice. LG is not responsible for any direct or indirect damages or injuries that might occur while you are using or relying upon the information provided in this video. Depending upon its model, your product may differ in appearance from the product shown in the video. Also note that for instructional purposes, the video may depict the device operating faster than in reality. For any further questions concerning your product, please contact LG.com or L6 Customer Information Center. This video shall not be copied, distributed, or reproduced, in whole or in part, without the prior written authorization of LG Electronics. Copyright 2022 LG Electronics. All rights reserved. LG is a trademark of LG Electronics Company, Limited. Any other company names, product names, and marks are the property of their respective owners.